guys, it's me, LFonTV, for a soaking start of the 5th season on LFonTV's vlog. Today, I am at Aqua Splash at Redcliffe. I'm here with my sister, Geo Reddit.
Hello!
So, all aboard for a soaking adventure. Yep.
We can do it. You did it, mate. How's it going, mate? You good? Oh no! What's your plan? Go to the side! Go to the side!
I can't! Don't worry, I'll loosen the thing and run.
No, Liam.
I'm just gonna have to swim.
I think you're meant to go on all of these.
Heart pounding. Let's see. LFonTV slides down. Slides down.
Let go! Let it go! And let go! Woo! Where did that hurt, mate?
My chest, my nipples, my every.
Running! Faster, faster, faster! Faster! One giant leap for LFonTV. He's made it to the top. And now he will slide down the grand slide. Woo!
Okay.
You got this. Ah, I did it! Go, go, go. Oh, okay. What are you doing? 3, 2, 1, go, 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 run! You got this, you got this, you got this, you got... Nope. You don't got this.
I told you, I can't do it.
Hey, you did it! And again?
Hi George, I did it. I did it. This one. All right, I have been soaked. That's all I can say.
Absolutely.
So, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you don't want to miss anything, ring the bell so you won't miss a damn thing in your entire life. And don't throw garbage in the ocean, and not to say mermaids aren't real. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.